I'm Randy and I make candy, and tonight I'm making caramel apple white chocolate fudge. Stick around. Greetings, my confectionery compadres, and welcome to Randy Makes Candy, where I help you make tasty treats that people love to eat. September 22nd is National White Chocolate Day, so I went to my future recipes list and found a tasty treat that was submitted by our compadre Claire. It's from the Sweet Recipes website, and it uses freeze-dried apples for its unique flavor. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check it out. As always, I'd love to hear about your results if you decide to make your own caramel apple white chocolate fudge, as well as suggestions for other recipes you'd like to see in future videos. For this recipe, I used 15 caramels, 3/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of butter, 2 cups of granulated sugar, 4 ounces of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, 11 ounces of white chocolate chips, 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, and 1/3 cup of freeze-dried apple powder. I'm also using a lined 8x8 pan, a large saucepan, a spatula, and a thermometer. Okay, let's make some candy. In a saucepan over medium heat, add the sweetened condensed milk and butter. Stir it until the butter is melted, then add the caramels and turn the heat to medium-low. Stir this continuously so the caramels don't burn. When the caramels are fully melted, pour the mixture into some jars and set them aside. Combine the sugar, butter, and heavy cream into a large saucepan and bring it to a boil over medium heat. Let it boil until it reaches 234 degrees Fahrenheit, adjusted for altitude, stirring occasionally. Add the white chocolate chips and stir vigorously until the chocolate is melted and the mixture is smooth. Add the marshmallow cream and mix until it's well blended. Mix in the freeze-dried apple powder. Pour the fudge into the prepared pan. Pipe about 4 ounces of the caramel filling over the top of the fudge and use a knife or skewer to distribute the caramel and make it pretty. Let it set in the refrigerator or on the counter, then cut it into whatever size pieces you'd like. And that's it. Okay, let's have a taste. Slancheva. Well, this is absolutely delightful. The fudge is sweet and creamy, and you get that kind of dark sweetness of the caramel, but I'm really surprised at how well the apple flavor comes through. It gives a wonderful brightness that kind of pulls that fudge and caramel back from being too sweet. If you're looking for a way to celebrate National White Chocolate Day, or any other day of the year, you really ought to try these. If you enjoyed your time here in the Candy Kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for sticking around, and I hope you'll join me next time. I'll leave a link to keep it from being too sweet.